everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making another Frozen 2 Learn to Sew kit. This time it's for a character pillow. The character pillow kit set with enough fabric to make one large pillow at approximately 18 inches by 18 inches and one travel pillow that will be approximately 16 by 12 inches finished. In addition to the sewing essentials such as needles, thread, sewing machines, and scissors, you will also need either an 18-inch by 18-inch pillow form, a 16-inch by 12-inch pillow form, or polyfill. For my pillows, I made them using polyfill because I had a lot of polyfill left over from finished projects from many years ago that I could use the rest of my polyfill creating. I had plenty to make both pillows, but by the time I made these two pillows, as well as the Olaf body pillow and two other non-frozen throw pillows from a throw pillow making kit, I was starting to run out of polyfill, but I had just enough to finish both pillows. The first thing I did after taking the fabric out of the wrapping is washed it. Like with my Olaf pillow, I didn't have a very bad fraying problem with the fabric, so I was perfectly fine pre-washing the fabric. After the fabric was washed and I pressed the fabric, I then cut out each piece as well as the instructions which were printed onto the fabric panel. After I pinned the pillows together, I sewed the front and back pieces. Just like with the other Learn to Sew Frozen 2 sewing kits, these pillows also had a pre-printed sewing allowance. After I finished sewing both pillows, I turned each piece right sides out and pressed. After I turned the pillows right side out and pressed them, I stuffed them with polyfill until they were completely full. But some of the printed marks that indicates where the seam allowance was located was visible once the pillow was turned right side out. So that meant I had to go back in and re-sew my very sloppy stitching, thus covering up the markings where the seam allowance is located. Once I fixed that, I stuffed that pillow with polyfill, and then I stitched it and the other pillow closed. After both pillows were sewn closed, that was it. Overall, I really love both of these pillows. The graphics are beautiful. I found this sewing kit very easy to follow, and I would believe that this sewing kit would be a great project for someone who loves Frozen and really wants to learn how to sew but doesn't know where to begin. Well, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.